This videos is about updated YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements. In this month, January 2023, YouTube updated the eligibility requirements to join YPP program and other updates to the program. Additionally, Shorts watch hours are counted as one of the option of eligibility requirement to join the YPP program. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, gives creators greater access to YouTube resources and monetization features, and access to YouTube creator support teams in case you face any challenge in your daily activities concerning to earning and other challenges. It also allows revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. Learn more about the features, eligibility criteria, and application details in this video. Requirements to join YPP program. Number 1. Follow the YouTube channel monetization policies. Number 2. Live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Number 3. Have no active community guidelines strikes on your channel. Number 4. Make sure two-step verification is turned on for your Google account. Number 5. Have one active AdSense account that you'll link to your channel, or be ready to set one up in YouTube Studio if you don't already have one. Only create a new AdSense account in YouTube Studio. Once you understand what is needed to join, your channel can become eligible for YPP with either shorts or long-form videos. If you'd like YouTube to notify you when you're eligible, click Notify Me when I'm eligible in the Earn area of YouTube Studio. You'll get an email once you've met either of the below eligibility thresholds. Either get 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or get 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. How YouTube review application. Once you accept YPP terms and link an active AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put in a review queue. YouTube automated systems and human reviewers will review your channel as a whole to make sure your channel follows all of our policies and guidelines. Check back in the Earn section of YouTube Studio anytime to see the status of your application. YouTube will get back to you with a decision once your channel is reviewed, typically in about 1 month. Keep in mind delays are possible due to higher than usual application volumes, system issues, or resource limitations. All YPP applications are serviced in the order they're received by YouTube. Sometimes channels require multiple reviews, especially when several reviewers disagree on your channel's suitability for YPP. This may increase the time required for a decision to be made. If your application wasn't successful, don't worry, keep uploading original content and you'll be able to try again after a 30-day period. YouTube reviewers likely found that a significant portion of your channel doesn't currently follow their policies and guidelines, so be sure to review those against your channel's overall content and adjust your channel before reapplying. Choose how to earn and get paid. Once you're in YPP, get started in YouTube Studio with watch page ads, shorts feed ads, memberships, supers, shopping, and more. To turn on monetization features, you will need to review and accept the relevant module terms. After choosing how you want to monetize, you will be able to manage ad preferences, turn on monetization for your uploads, and more. Stay active to keep making money. As the YouTube Partner Program continues to grow, it's important to maintain a healthy, active ecosystem of channels. To focus YouTube support for creators who are active and engaged with the community, YouTube may turn off monetization on channels that haven't uploaded a video or posted to the Community tab for 6 months or more. Keep in mind that any public watch hours from Shorts views in the Shorts feed won't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours threshold. These thresholds help YouTube in making decision about whether your channel meets the YouTube policies and guidelines. Once you apply, your channel will go through a standard review process to see whether your channel meets the policies and guidelines. If it meets the policies and guidelines, your channel will be accepted to join YPP. Keep in mind that YouTube continuously checks channels in YPP to make sure they continue to meet our policies and guidelines over time. To be accepted to join YPP program doesn't mean that you can do anything like copying other creators' contents and other things which are not allowed. Make sure you adhere to the policies and guidelines forever.